Ever wondered what common health issues a simple glass of okra water could solve? Well, the answer might surprise you. Welcome to a journey of discovery into the incredible health benefits of this underappreciated vegetable. Firstly, okra water can help stabilize blood sugar levels. The seeds within okra contain properties that can slow down the metabolism of glucose, which in turn helps to prevent spikes and crashes in sugar levels. Secondly, okra water is a wonderful source of dietary fiber. This important nutrient aids in digestion by adding bulk to your diet, which can help prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Thirdly, okra water is brimming with antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your body against damaging free radicals, lowering your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Fourthly, okra water can assist in lowering bad cholesterol levels. The soluble fiber found in okra can help reduce the amount of cholesterol in your body, contributing to a healthier heart. Fifthly, okra water can help boost your immune system. Packed with vitamin C and other essential nutrients, it can help your body ward off illnesses and infections. Lastly, okra water is a boon for skin health. The high level of antioxidants and vitamins A and C can help to keep your skin looking fresh and youthful. So what does all of this mean? It means that okra water is more than just a refreshing beverage. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, a defender against diseases, a promoter of digestive health, a guardian of heart health, a fortifier of your immune system, and a preserver of youthful skin. With each sip of okra water, you're not just hydrating your body, you're also fueling it with essential nutrients that can help tackle a wide range of common health issues. So the next time you're looking for a health-boosting drink, why not give okra water a try? It might just be the secret ingredient you've been searching for.